Bob decides that he wants to add 2 windows every time he adds a floor. When Bob gets to the office to tell Wendy about his new idea, she is really excited. "That will make the new hospital look so nice," she exclaims. "I'll order the windows right now. How many do we need?" 1 minute. I need to do the math," says Bob. Bob gets a piece of paper and a pencil and starts making a list of all of the windows on each floor. "On the first floor I want 20 windows. On the second floor I want 22 windows. On the third floor I want 24 windows. On the fourth floor I want 26 windows." Wendy, watching Bob, says, "What are you doing?" Bob says, "I have to add up all of the windows on every floor to figure out how many we should order." Wendy says, "You know there's a formula you can use that will find the sum of an arithmetic sequence?" "No, I didn't know that. Sounds like pretty important information. Please teach me." First, we should take these values and make a chart. Charts are always good for seeing patterns and staying organized. So here we have on the first floor 20 windows, second floor 22, third 24, and fourth 26. We did this so we can show that we are adding 2 windows every time we add a floor. It may seem silly at first, but it is extremely useful. This is also more than enough information. This is the formula. S equals n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. "Looks like a bunch of letters to me," says Bob. Well, S stands for the sum. N, in this case, stands for how many floors you have. A is how many windows are on the first floor. D is the common difference, or in our case, how many windows you add each floor. "Oh, I see," said Bob. "So I have 15 floors. There are 20 windows on the first floor, and I add 2 each time. So 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. 2 times 20 is 40. 15 minus 1 is 14, and D is 2. So I have 7.5 times 40 plus 14 times 2, which is 7.5 times 68. And that equals 510. I need 510 windows, Wendy." Wendy says, "Okay, but before I order anything, I always double check the math to make sure we have all of our numbers right. I can check it on the calculator really quick. 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. "Good job, Bob, or I'll order the windows right now," Bob says. "Thanks, Wendy. That was a lot faster and easier than adding all of the windows on each floor." "No problem. I'm glad I could help. You never know when you'll need to know an arithmetic sum."